guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jane Earl and I'm back with another beautiful video for you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you guys like a week's worth of meal school lunch ideas that you can, make for your kids. Or rather, I'm sharing with you guys what my daughter took to school in a week. So for Mondays, my daughter is always taking like better food to school because we're always cooking, Sunday rice and all that medes. So today on Monday, she's taking a fried rice, one boiled egg and one fried turkey. Then she's gonna be pairing that with a bowl of salad. My daughter loves salad, and I'm so grateful for that because you can't see there are no many kids that love salad. So guys, I'm just going to be making that for her. If this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. My name is Jane Earl. I make videos on natural hair, lifestyle, and everything motherhood. If that's your cup of tea, if that's what you love, kindly stick to this channel by subscribing below, by hitting that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family. Don't forget to click on the all notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. To my old subscribers, my old G's, thank you guys so much for the support. I love you 100%. So for snacks, today she's taking like some cookies, and then we have peanuts and few slices of cakes, and then we'll have her water and juice. She's gonna be taking some Capri Sun. I decided to put 2 packs of Capri Sun because this Capri Sun is very, very small. So I just feel 1 pack is not going to be enough for her. But anyways, it was actually enough because she brought back 1 and she drank it at home. So yeah, that's all for Monday.
Chopper life, oh, chopper life. This world and I want chance, I got it rolling. No, I want for so far, guy.
So for Tuesday, she's taking some jollof yam porridge or pottage. I added the jollof there because I used, tomatoes in making this yam porridge. Oh my gosh. It was delicious, like finger licking delicious. There was no light when I was making this content. That's why you cannot even see the face. It was not looking so fine, but trust me guys, it was delicious. So you can I gave her yam porridge, and then for snacks she's taking some cheese balls, chin chin, and some chocolate cookies. And of course, we're still gonna go with our juice, Ribena.
Chopper life. This world and I want chance, I got it rolling. No, I want for so far, guy. Chopper life.
So for Wednesday, she's taking plantains and eggs stir fried. I have actually, made a video on how I prepared this plantain stir fried on my channel. If you've not seen it, kindly check it out. Guys, this dish is super delicious. Try it out and let me know. So this is what my daughter is taking to school today. And today for Wednesdays, every Wednesdays in her school, she goes to school with fruits instead of biscuits and the like. So no juice, just fruits. So for her fruits, she's gonna be going with mangoes, watermelon, and apples. So for the apples, guys, I heard that when you cut the apples for your kids, and you should put it in salt water, that it will not get brown. How true is it, guys? I've not tried it yet, but I just know that if I slice it like this and just leave it as a whole, just like it is, without scratching it, it still stays fresh for her. So that's why I usually do it that way. And her snack box is not that big, so it contains it, like it keeps it tight together. So what do you guys think? Have you tried it before? Have you put your apples in salt water, and then were they still fresh? Maybe I'm going to experiment it on a normal day, when she's not going to school, so I'll know if it works out. So if you've watched up to here and you're still not subscribed, please, I dey beg you. Now beg I dey beg. Please subscribe to my channel. Biko Ejo. Please, my brothers and my sisters, kindly subscribe to my channel for more juicy content. You know? Give this video a thumbs up, share it and share it and share it to all the yummy mummies out there. And yeah, I love you guys. Keep watching.
Hello, greet all my brethren for you. Daddy me don't do my own.
And for day 4, which is Thursday, she's going with this yummy, delicious stir-fried Indomie. Okay, I'm calling it like the Nigerian way, stir-fried noodles. You know, say for Nigeria, everything na Indomie. Every noodles na Indomie. Whether na chiki or mini or supremo, all na Indomie. That's so we know am as. So she's going with this stir-fried noodles, and then she's gonna be pairing that with some fried eggs, fried plantains, and some sardines. Yes. Oh my gosh. Everything on this bowl in this flask is super yummy and delicious.
Bad belly they cry, I don't scare away. Daddy me deliver me from my enemies. Them say I dey go selo. Them say I dey go selo. Zuzu prayer, I go make you do dada. Daddy get the power. Sweetie pa sister shambanga soup. Brothers and sisters, Papa Jesus love our way. Okay for the yakota, you know I see daddy they do.
And for her snacks, she'll be going with some oats milk cookies. These cookies are so lovely, guys. Like, me self, I dey chop and wella. And she's gonna be pairing that with some caramel popcorns. And then I made some sweet potato patties or sweet potato cakes for her. Guys, this, oh my Jesus Christ. Oh gosh. Nah. Look, I don't lie. This is delicious. So this sweet potato patties is just, you know, mashed potatoes, and then you season it, and then you dip it in eggs and flour and cornflakes or breadcrumbs. I might do a video on how I made it. I might not. So yeah. So that's what she took for Thursday. For Friday, she's gonna be going with some good old jollof rice, fried fish, fried plantains. Oh my god, I'm so sorry about the poor lighting. There was still no light on this day, I think, because it's so dark. There was no light on this day, so I'm so sorry for the poor lighting, guys. May God bless me, oh, so that I've light. If NEPA sorry, if NEPA if NEPA disappoints me like this, I'll get Jen start, you know, to still create content. So guys, we are all praying for God's blessings. You guys should also pray for me, guys. Yes. And for snacks, she'll be going with some sausage roll, some donuts, and biscuits. And yes, guys, that is all for all the foods. That's all the school lunch idea I have for you guys for a week. That is all what my daughter took to school this week. And yep, thank you guys for sticking around with me. You can always skip, omit, and you know, add whatever you want. So this is, I'm just sharing what my baby girl took to school. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support, for the love. I love you all. Thank you for sharing my videos, for liking my videos, for commenting. Thank you. God bless you. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.